Britain will impose an outright ban on the sale of animal fur once the Brexit transition period ends, the Environment Secretary has suggested. The passage of whale meat through British ports will also be outlawed, George Eustice said.
The UK has already begun moves to ban live animal exports, which it was unable to do under EU law, and its post-Brexit freedom will allow a further tightening of the rules on animal welfare. Mr. Eustice told Times Radio, "We're looking at a number of issues in the animal welfare sphere.
Fur is one area. We banned the production of fur since at least 2002 in this country, one of the countries in the world that's been first to outlaw its production." Lord Goldsmith, the animal welfare minister and a close friend of Boris Johnson's fiancee, Carrie Symonds, is in charge of the policy, which would prohibit the import of wild animal fur, and mean fur coats and clothes trimmed with fur would be banned.
The peer has called the fur trade one of the grimmest of human activities, while Ms. Symonds has described people who want to buy fur as sick. The British Fur Trade Association has claimed fur is increasingly popular with younger people looking for long-lasting natural products rather than man-made fast fashion.
Around £200 million of fur products are imported into the UK every year, mainly from the EU. Being part of the single market has meant Britain could not choose to outlaw such products until now.
Mr. Eustice said, "There are a number of areas where EU law has prevented us from being able to act. It's prevented us from being able to ban the live export of animals. It's prevented us from preventing the transshipment of whale meat from some of the Nordic countries through our ports onward to Japan, and we would like to look at that."
On fur in particular, you wouldn't, currently, be able to have a ban on sale because it would be a violation of the single market rules. The UK has always been a leader in this. We've seen with coronavirus some of the risk you have with intensive mink farming, and we will be looking at whether we can take this forward.